So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's take a look at what Swiss franc JPY is actually going to be giving us for the week. I told you guys clearly, if you know watch the analysis that I did for you guys in the past, you can go back to watch it. I told you guys that clearly that markets will try to tap our support level. Market did exactly what we predicted it to do. Why do we predicted that sell? Why do we predict that markets will try to tap our support level? It is very simple. Swiss franc JPY is in a range market move. Now, let's take a look at the overall trend. If you have to zoom it out, you want to see the full bigger picture, you will see that Swiss franc JPY trend is in an overall trend to the upside. We are trending to the upside. That is the overall movement. But when you now zoom it in, you take a look at what market is doing currently. You need to know what your market is doing currently. That is the current trend we are going to be making use of, right? So with this our current trend, what the trend that we are going to be making use of, market is ranging. So market was rallied up to tap our resistance, right? Then once market got to the resistance, it rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support level, right? Market eventually got to the support level. Guess what market did? Market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Market got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance, right? When market got to the resistance level, it's rejected from the resistance, right? Market eventually dropped again to tap our support level. You can see that market literally dropped to tap our support level. Right here. Market dropped to tap for the support level. The market eventually rallied up to tap our resistance, right? Then it's eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support level right here. So this is the support level market got to, it rejected from this support level, right? Now, what market is doing, market has tapped the resistance level, support level, and it is now pushing up. So we would expect it to continue to push up till it is able to hit our resistance level. So guys, we will continue that bullish move till market is able to hit and tap our resistance level. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So we should be expecting Swiss franc JPY to continue that bullish move till it is able to hit and tap our resistance level. So guys, if you are not yet in the buy, look to going for the buy. But if you are in the buy, still hold your buy position, because with what market is doing, market is rejected from this resistance as it did right here. It's rejected from this resistance in support, it's rejected from the support level, rejected from the support level, rejected from the support level, and now it is rejecting from the support level. So we should expect market to continue that rejection till it is able to hit our resistance level. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. Now guys, let's take a look at it on the forward time frame, guys. So now take a look at it. The thing is, there's possibility that market will likely drop again. Now this is it right here. There's possibility that market will likely give us some more drop. The possibility is still very much there, because if you take a look at it on your forward time frame, it is very strong to the downside. This is the low and this is the lower high. This is the lower low and here comes the lower high. Here is the lower low and this is the lower high. This is also the lower low, right, that dropped to tap our support level. Here comes the lower high right here. So with this lower high, market is very much likely to continue to drop against it, is to hit our support level, thereby forming a new lower low. So this is to tell you that we still very much have the possibility of, market still has the possibility of dropping to hit our support level. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not yet in the sell, you can still go in for the sell. But if you are already in the sell, still with your sell position, if market can test it, then guess what, markets go bullish, it is able to tap your resistance level. So more updates on this for the week will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on your updates. Like and share, make your comment, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.